Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Lingo English, the place where learning English feels easy, natural, and fun. I'm Paul.
And I'm Anna. Hi, everyone. It's so good to see you here today.
Anna, how are you this morning? You look like you're in a really good mood.
I am. I had a really good cup of coffee this morning. That always helps.
Oh yes, a good cup of coffee changes everything.
It really does. Paul, how are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. I'm excited about today's topic.
Me too. It's such an important one.
It is. But before we start, everyone, please subscribe to Easy Lingo English if you haven't already. Click that subscribe button right now.
Yes, please. And give this video a thumbs up. It really helps other English learners find us.
It does. We appreciate every single one of you. Okay, Anna, are you ready?
I am so ready. Let's go.
Okay, so today's topic is how to talk about yourself in English.
Yes, and this is one of the first things people learn when they start studying English. But honestly, it can still feel a little scary.
It can, because when someone says, "Tell me about yourself," your mind goes blank sometimes.
Yes, suddenly you forget everything. Your name, where you're from, everything, just gone.
Like your brain just left the room.
Exactly. So today, we're going to make it easy. We're going to practice together, step by step.
And the best way to practice is to actually do it. So Anna and I are going to talk about ourselves today. Real answers, real conversation.
And you can listen, repeat, and practice with us. Ready, everyone? Let's start with the most basic one. The first thing you always say.
Your name.
Okay, Paul, tell me your name.
Sure. My name is Paul. P-A-U-L. Paul.
Nice to meet you, Paul. My name is Anna. A-N-A. Anna.
Beautiful name. Nice to meet you, Anna.
So everyone, the first sentence is simple. My name is. Try it right now. Pause the video if you want. Say your name out loud.
Don't be shy. Just say it. My name is Paul. Your turn.
Good job, everyone. Now, the next thing people usually ask is, where are you from?
Where are you from, Anna?
I'm from California. It's in the United States. It's sunny and warm most of the year. I love it. What about you, Paul? Where are you from?
I'm from Texas, also in the United States. Texas is big. Very, very big.
Texas is huge. Have you always lived there?
Most of my life, yes. I grew up in a small town in Texas. Very quiet, very peaceful.
Oh, I love that. I grew up in a big city, Los Angeles. Very busy, very loud, but exciting.
Big city energy.
Always. So, everyone, you can say, I'm from. For example, I'm from Mexico. I'm from Brazil. I'm from Japan. Simple and clear.
And if you want to add a little more, you can say, I'm from, and I love it because that makes your answer feel more personal, more real.
Exactly. Okay, next question. Where do you live now?
Good one. Anna, where do you live now?
Right now, I live in a small apartment in the city. It's not very big, but I really like it. It has a nice window, and I can see trees outside. That makes me happy.
Oh, that sounds lovely. I live in a house. It's a medium-sized house. Not too big, not too small.
Do you have a garden?
A small one. I have some flowers. I'm not very good at gardening, though. The flowers try their best.
That's so honest. I like that.
So everyone, you can say, I live in a house, or I live in an apartment. You can add, it's big, or it's small, or I really like it. Keep it simple, keep it natural.
And notice, Paul added a funny little detail. The flowers try their best. That's personality. That's what makes a conversation feel real. You don't have to be perfect. Just be you.
Okay, next one. Age. This one people sometimes feel shy about.
A little bit, but it's good to practice. Paul, how old are you?
I'm 29 years old. Almost 30. That feels strange to say out loud.
You're still young. Don't worry. I'm 26.
26 is a great age.
I think so too. So the sentence is, I'm years old. Or just, I'm For example, I'm 26. That's it. Short and simple.
You don't have to say years old every time. Americans often just say the number. I'm 29. Very natural.
Okay, now an important one. What do you do? This means, what is your job? Or what do you study?
Right. People ask this all the time. At work, at parties, when you meet someone new. What do you do? Anna, what do you do?
I'm an English teacher. I love helping people learn English. It's honestly my favorite thing to do.
That's wonderful. I'm also a teacher, and I make English videos online. So I teach on camera.
Which is a little different from a regular classroom.
Very different. You have to be comfortable talking to a camera. Wave us at the camera.
Hi, camera. So everyone, you can say, I'm a teacher, or I'm a student, or I'm a doctor, or I work in a restaurant. Whatever your job is, just say it simply. I'm a or I work as a
And if you're a student, you can say, I'm a student. I study For example, I'm a student. I study engineering. Or I study business.
Perfect. Okay, let's talk about family now.
Family. Everyone loves talking about family. Anna, do you have brothers or sisters?
I do. I have one younger sister. Her name is Sophia. She's 22. She's studying fashion design right now.
Fashion design. That's so cool.
She's very creative. Much more creative than me with clothes. I still wear the same 3 colors.
Reliable, classic.
Exactly. What about you? Brothers, sisters?
I have one older brother. His name is Mike. He's 33. He's an engineer. Very smart, very serious. We're very different.
Opposites?
A little bit. He likes math. I like talking.
Well, thank goodness you like talking. That's why we're here.
Exactly. So everyone, you can say I have one brother, or I have 2 sisters, or I'm an only child, which means you have no brothers or sisters.
And you can add their names or ages if you want. I have a sister. Her name is Sophia. She's 22. Simple sentences. One idea at a time.
Okay, let's talk about pets. This is always a fun one.
Oh, yes. Do you have a pet, Paul?
I do. I have a dog. His name is Cooper. He's a golden retriever. Very fluffy, very friendly. Honestly, he might be my best friend.
Does Cooper know that?
I think he does. He follows me everywhere, even to the bathroom.
That's a loyal dog right there.
Very loyal. What about you, Anna? Do you have a pet?
I have a cat. Her name is Mochi. She's small, white, and very, very independent. She only comes to me when she wants food.
Sounds like a cat.
Very typical cat behavior, but I love her so much.
So everyone, I have a dog or I have a cat, you can add the name. His name is, or her name is, and add one little detail. He's very friendly. She's very small. That extra detail makes it interesting.
Okay, now my favorite part. Hobbies. What do you do for fun, Paul?
Okay. I love listening to music. Mostly old rock music. It makes me feel relaxed. And I play guitar. Not very well, but I enjoy it.
Oh, you play guitar? I didn't know that.
A little bit. Just for fun. Nothing serious. My neighbors might disagree.
That's so funny. Okay, I love to cook. That's my main hobby. I try new recipes on weekends. Sometimes they're amazing. Sometimes not so much.
What went wrong recently?
I tried to make homemade bread last Sunday. It came out very flat, like a pancake. But it was supposed to be a big round loaf.
Bread pancake.
Bread pancake. Still tasted okay, though. I also love to take walks outside, especially in the morning when it's quiet.
That sounds peaceful. I also love watching movies, especially funny movies. I need to laugh. Laughing is important.
It really is. Okay, so everyone, for hobbies, you say, I love to. Or, in my free time, I like to. For example, I love to cook. I like to read. I enjoy playing sports. Very simple sentences.
And it's okay to say, I'm not very good at it, but I love it. That's real. That's honest. And people appreciate honesty.
Now, let's talk about things we like and things we don't like. Paul, what's your favorite food?
Oh, easy. Pizza. Always pizza.
I knew it. You seem like a pizza person.
Is that a compliment?
Absolutely. I love pizza too. But my favorite food is probably tacos. Tacos are amazing.
They really are. Okay, what's a food you don't like?
Mushrooms. I really don't like mushrooms. The texture. Something about it just doesn't work for me.
Oh, interesting. I love mushrooms.
See? We're different.
And that's okay. That's what makes conversation interesting. You don't have to like everything. I don't like very sweet desserts, like super sugary cake. It's too much for me.
Really? I love sweet things.
We would share a meal very well. You take the cake, I take the tacos.
Perfect deal. So everyone, you can say, I love, or my favorite food is. And for things you don't like, I don't like, or I'm not a fan of. That last one, I'm not a fan of, sounds very natural in American English.
Very natural. You'll hear it all the time.
Okay, so we've covered a lot today. Name, where you're from, where you live, age, job, family, pets, hobbies, likes and dislikes.
That's actually everything you need to introduce yourself in English.
Let's put it all together. I'll go first. Ready, Anna?
Ready.
Hi, my name is Paul. I'm from Texas in the United States. I'm 29 years old. I'm an English teacher and I make videos online. I have one older brother named Mike. I have a dog named Cooper. He's a golden retriever and my best friend. In my free time, I love listening to music, playing guitar a little bit, and watching funny movies. My favorite food is pizza. And I don't like mushrooms. Nice to meet you.
perfect. That was so natural. Okay, my turn. Hi, everyone. I'm Anna. I'm from California. I'm 26 years old. I'm an English teacher too. I have one younger sister named Sophia. I have a cat named Mochi. She's small, white, and very independent. I love cooking, taking morning walks, and trying new recipes on weekends, even when they go wrong. My favorite food is tacos, and I'm not a fan of very sweet desserts. It's so nice to meet you all.
See, everyone? That wasn't hard at all. Short sentences, simple words, real personality.
You don't have to say everything at once. In a real conversation, you say a little, the other person asks a question, you say a little more. It grows naturally.
Think of it like building blocks, one sentence at a time.
I think today was really helpful. We practiced so many useful sentences.
We really did. And remember, everyone, the most important thing is to just try. Don't wait until your English is perfect. It never will be. And that's okay.
Even Paul and I make mistakes sometimes.
All the time.
The goal is communication. The goal is connection. And you can do that right now with the English you already have.
So here's your homework, everyone. Go to the comments below. Write 2 or 3 sentences about yourself. Your name, where you're from, one thing you like. That's it.
We read every single comment, every one. So we will see you down there.
And if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Easy Lingo English, and share it with a friend who's learning English too.
It means so much to us, really.
Thank you for spending time with us today. It was so fun.
It was! I feel like I learned new things about Paul, too.
Mushrooms. Remember, Paul doesn't like mushrooms.
Very important information. Okay, everyone. Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling.
And keep talking. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. See you soon.